Let's make banana pudding.
Say it one down low, you got me so long. Say it.
Hey guys, welcome back with Chef Nico. Today we're going to prepare banana pudding. Who doesn't like banana pudding? Come on, everybody loves banana pudding. Here we go guys. So the first step, condensed milk. And voila. And then we're going to add half cup of water, and then we mix everything for a couple of minutes. And then we're going to put jello. I would like to use one which is the vanilla taste and half of the banana one.
A few moments later.
Okay, and then we add a little bit of the banana flavor, half bag. Will give you a fantastic banana taste. And then we're going to finish to mix it up.
Later.
And here we go, all lovely together. What we're going to do is to put a plastic paper ready to rest on the fridge for 2-3 hours. And we'll see you later.
2 hours later.
Our pudding looks fantastic, really perfect. Now let's prepare the whipped cream. And our whipped cream is ready. Now we are going to add all together whipped cream with vanilla banana pudding we prepared a couple of hours ago. Let's mix it together. Can't wait to enjoy the banana pudding. I'm honest with you guys, it's one of my favorite desserts. So when I moved from Italy to New York, a friend of mine bring me to a bakery very famous here in Manhattan, Magnolia. He tell me, try the banana pudding. If you like banana, you will die for. And yes, I just love it. So I asked what is the original recipe. One of the people working there was like, you know guys, we cannot give you the recipe. And so we try more of once. We come up with this recipe and I think it's fantastic. Here, the consistency is perfect. Let's build our banana pudding. And here we go, 4 banana. Very well done, ready to go. The way they're very sweet and very easy. We cut it in big wheels. It's really good for us. And here we go, the banana ready. Let's put this banana pudding together. Cookies on the bottom. Now we're going to add, oh my god, that cream is perfect. Then the banana. Here we go with the Prince cookie, the double cookie with the dark chocolate heart. I can't wait. I suggest to leave that on the fridge for a good 4 hours and even overnight. And our banana pudding is ready.
The next day.
Say it one down low,